How about we add a second field to the form? How's that grab you? I'll put day 2 homework at the top. Day 2 homework. Add a second field of your choice to the form. What else might you want to know about the spell? Want to know how much mana it uses? Want to know what level you have to be at to use it? Whatever. If those words don't mean anything to you, what else might you want to know? What color is the fancy puff of smoke that appears? Is a cornflower blue puff of smoke? Whatever. Just add some additional forms to this field and reflect them on the page somehow. Make them show up down here in some form or another. If you add a color field, make it show up in that color. That'd be pretty fancy. Sounds hard. Oh yeah, I should have put these as H3s. Bonus credit. Look up document.create element and append child and try adding the list items that way instead of with inner HTML. So don't use inner HTML at all. Find out how document.createElement and append child work and try adding things to the page that way. Super mega bonus credit. Display each value in the list item, the name, whatever other field you add. In separate elements, and style them differently somehow. For example, do something like this. Got my list item. Inside of my list item, I have, I don't know, a span with a class of spell name, fireball, and a span of level, that says level 4. Something like that, and then style them differently. So try adding them to the page like that instead of just being side by side. I think you can do it. I believe in you. Super, mega, bonus, credit. Hyper fighting. Build each new element. The li, each span, etc. in separate functions. So by the time you're doing all this stuff, you'll end up with just one absolutely huge function for your event handler. Break it up. Break it up into multiple functions. And just call all of those functions from inside the event handler. See if you can make sense of that. You can do it. I believe in you. I'm going to copy this into Slack real quick. It will be pushed into the repo as well as on GitHub, of course. But I'll go ahead and throw it in Slack right now. All right. Go in peace.